In this video, I'm going to show you how to include CSS style for a web page. The very first method I'm going to introduce is inline style. Uh, you can apply inline style to any tag by just adding the style attribute to a tag and then add some rules. Like in this case, I'm going to add background color to h1 tag. Let me just refresh the page so you can see the result. You can continue adding more rules if you need to, just separate them with a semicolon. Here I will go and add border. Let's make it 3 pixel, dotted, and make it blue. Here you go, right? So if I make this a little bit bigger, probably you can see it better. So in this case, I have added the inline style to h1 tag. Inline style is not encouraged if it's possible to use other two methods, which is called internal CSS and external CSS. In order to create an internal CSS, this can be applied to the same page only. So I just go ahead and in the head section, I open the style tag. What I can do is I can simply move the rule that I have here to this section. In order to apply this rule to a tag, first I have to have the tag selected in my style. So in this case is h1 tag, and then I just simply drop or paste the rules that I had for h1 to this part. If I refresh the page, it should not make any difference. So just prove this, I'll go ahead and add font size 12 point here so you can see the difference. Okay, now, so we learned about the inline style, we learned about the internal style. Now we want to apply this style to more than one page across our website. So in that case, what we're going to do is we got to move this style to an external file and include that external file to every page in our website that we want to apply this style to. So for that reason, I go ahead and create an external file. I'll call it style.css, and I just drop the rule in that file. Please keep in mind there is no style tag in the external CSS. So since I have the rule in external file, I just go ahead and use the link tag to include that external file. First I specify the relationship attribute, which is style sheet, and then I will use href to link that document to this which is called style.css. Now if I go ahead and refresh my page, you should not feel any differences on the layout. So I just go back here and simply make changes here. I'll make this one 24 point. Now I refresh my page and simply can see the style is applied. So now the style.css can be inserted into many different pages on my website, and I have centralized my style. So from one place I can control the style of all the pages on my website. So one more time, we have inline style, where you simply go ahead and add the style attribute and start writing your CSS rule. We have internal style. In the head section, you specify all the rules by selecting the element that you want to apply the rules to. And then finally, we have external style, which is a file that contains all your CSS rule. I hope you enjoy the video.